Hey guys, welcome to the Waiters Academy. Today, after so many requests about the full sequence of restaurant service, I am shooting the video. I'm playing in my apartment here with empty chairs and I'm talking to myself, but the most important thing is that you see the whole sequence of restaurant service done step by step. I'm doing it. You'll notice I'm serving from the right side and I'm bussing from the right side like it's done in Europe. Of course, if that's United States, you will serve the food from the left side and bus the plates from the right side. But that's the only difference actually. Everything else is the same. So, coming up. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grand Victoria. How are you today? Is everything okay? Thank you very much. I'll be right back with the menus, but maybe I can offer you some cocktails, glass of champagne, or maybe something stronger. We have excellent mixed drinks. Gin and tonic. Would you like some Hendrix or Tanqueray? Hendrix for you? Yes, of course. And for gentlemen? Monkey 47? Yes, we have Monkey 47. Absolutely. So for the lady, Hendrix and tonic, and the gentleman drinks Monkey 47. I'll be right back with the drinks and the menus. Thank you. Drinks are coming in a moment. May I present the menu for you? Here's the menu. So, would you like to take a look on the wine list also? We have excellent local wines. Of course, everything else from the world, Italian, French, New World, Europe. The wine list too. I will leave that for you here. Take a look on the menu. Take your time. Would you like to hear the specials of the day? The chef has prepared today dorade in salt crust. It's a large fish, around 1 kilo. So it's for 2 persons. You can have it with some salt potato, baked potatoes with some vegetables, pretty much everything that you want as a side dish. It's 72 euros for the fish. And if you like fish, I will recommend it highly because it's excellent. And here in this restaurant, we do it the best in the world. Take a look, take your time. If you need some help, if you have any questions, please let me know. Whereas dorade is from Germany, it comes from the North Sea. Yes, sir. All right, thank you. I will be right back with your drinks. So, ma'am, for you, Hendrix and tonic. And for the gentleman, Tanqueray and tonic. Any questions about the menu? Or just need a couple more minutes? Couple more minutes. Take your time. I see you're ready to order. We start with the lady first. What did you decide today, madam? Okay, you want a small salad? Would you like the house dressing or Italian, French? House dressing? House dressing is oil and vinegar. It's an emulsion of oil and vinegar. Very fresh, very pleasant taste. Yes, with the house dressing. Thank you very much. And then for the main course. For main course, you want steak. All right. Would you like a medium rare, well done? Maybe something else? You like it well done? Very well. We'll decide, we'll take care of that later. Thank you. And for the gentleman, you have a soup, potato soup, very well. And then, very good, chicken parmesan. Second. Thank you very much. May I take the menus from you? Thank you. Sir, did you have a chance to look at the wine list? Yes? Yes, of course. The lady is having steak and you're having chicken parmesan. That can go with red wine too. But I will suggest something that's really full body. Yes, would you like something that's barrique or not barrique wine? Yes, something that's light and fruity. Then I would suggest not something that's really light because the lady is having a steak, but of course if you don't like something that's really heavy, maybe you should try the Zweigelt. Zweigelt is a wine that's fruity, and when it's light barrique, like for example Völligberg Zweigelt, that's one wine that's fruity because the Zweigelt is really fruity grape, but it's aged in barrique for 6 months, and the balance between the fruit and the barrique is very, very good. Gives some full body wine with some really excellent blueberries, blackberries, fruit flavors. Yes, you'd like to try it? So you try that Zweigelt Völligberg for the dinner. Thank you very much. Enjoy your drinks, and the food is gonna be prepared in a moment. Thank you. So sir, you went with my suggestion. That's Zweigelt 2015 from Covens, Völligberg. 2015 is the best year for the last 10 years, maybe 2011, 2015. Those are the two best years in the last 10 years for red wine in Austria. So a very good choice. Burgenland is one of the most famous wine regions in Austria too. So hopefully you like the wine. Let's try it. Do you like it? You can feel the flavors of the fruit, and of course light barrique, not so heavy. There is not so much tannin in it. It's a really fruity wine, but with a really good balance with the wood. Yes. So, thank you very much. Cheers. Madam, I change your silverware. You're having steak. Just put a steak messy for you. And a small salad. The gentleman will have a soup. And you don't need the fork. Would you like a bottle of water with the wine? Yes? Sparkling or non-sparkling? Non-sparkling. Thank you very much. I'll be right back. Now sparkling water for you. Are you finished with your cocktails? Thank you very much. I will take it right away. Ma'am, The food will be served in a moment. I put your napkin. Will you serve? Ma'am, for you, small green salad with house dressing. And for you, sir, potato cream soup. Enjoy your meal. If you need something else, let me know. Maybe some fresh pepper? No? No pepper. Thank you. Enjoy. Excuse me, sir, may I refill your glass? Some more wine. Thank you very much. How do you like the salad, man? That's good. Dressing is really light, really flavor. Yeah, thank you very much. And the soup, sir? You like it? Thank you. Enjoy. Ma'am, are you through with your meal? Thank you very much. Was everything okay? Like it? The dressing? Very light, very flavor. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Sir, soup was good too? Thanks, appreciate it. Would you like to take a little break before the main course? Maybe 5 or 10 minutes break? Yes? And then I will order the main course too. Anything else I can do for you right now? Everything's fine? Thank you. Ma'am, would you like me to pour some more wine for you? No? You're okay? Thank you. The food will be here in 2 minutes. Thank you very much. So, for the lady, New York steak, well done. There you go. For the gentleman, chicken parmesan. Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Feel like maybe some black pepper for you for the steak? No? No black pepper. Thank you. Enjoy. Test everything good. The steak, really well done. Yes? Thank you. And sir, the chicken parmesan, that's good also. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Anything else right now? No? All set? Thank you. So, you're all set. May I take this away from you? Was tasty? You're satisfied? Yes? Thank you very much. Sir, the chicken? A little bit too much? Too much is better than not enough. Thank you very much. Excuse me, ma'am. May I comb your tail? Thank you. Sir? I will bring the dessert menu for you to take a look. We have excellent French dessert. Our chef patisserie is world-class chef, and she prepares something very special. Mom, if I may recommend, if you like chocolate, the chocolate souffle here is really something very, very good. And of course, our tiramisu is the world's best tiramisu. So if you like tiramisu, I would suggest that you try this one too. Would you like some coffee, espresso, cappuccino? Maybe some later? Okay? Take your time. So, did you choose something? No? No dessert for the lady. All right, no dessert. And for the gentleman, you like to try the tiramisu? Very good choice. Very good choice, sir. Tiramisu is excellent. May I leave silverware for the lady too, so she can try some of your tiramisu? Yes? The lady will try some tiramisu? Absolutely. And coffee? Espresso? Yes? Okay. Espresso for the lady and for the gentleman, and cappuccino. Okay? One espresso, one cappuccino. Coming right away. Espresso for the lady. Excuse me. Cappuccino for the gentleman. So, the best tiramisu in the world, sir. There you go. And I brought a plate for the lady so she can share with you a piece of this excellent tiramisu. Enjoy. Was it as good as I said? Did you like it? Yes? For real? You sure? Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, it's really excellent. Really, really good. And you still have a lot of wine in the bottle. I guess a half bottle of wine. Would you like to keep that for tomorrow? Yes, I can keep the bottle in the restaurant, and when you come tomorrow, just tell the waiter that you have a bottle of wine from yesterday here. Yes, we do that. Absolutely, yes. Let me take this from you. So, was everything okay? Everything's fine? Would you like to finish the evening with some grappa, maybe some schnapps? No schnapps for the lady? No schnapps. For the German? I have different grappas. Yes, grappa, we have Tinanello, we have grappa Gaia, Barbaresco, Bocchino. Yes, Tinanello. I would suggest Tinanello for sure. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, so grappa for the German, Tinanello, and the lady is okay. You're fine. Thank you very much. So, your grappa. May I take the coffee away? You finish, yes? Thank you very much. Thank you. So, did you enjoy your event with us tonight? Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, the food is good. The chef is doing a great job. The service is also not so bad, I guess. I hope so, yes? Thank you, appreciate that. Thank you very much. Anything else I can do for you right now? No? You all said? Should I bring the bill? Yep, I'll bring the bill right away. Thank you. So, here's your bill. Would you like to pay with a credit card, cash, or maybe with a room charge? Room charge? Then I just need your signature, name, and room number. Thank you. So, thank you so much for coming today. I hope you enjoy your evening, and I wish you a pleasant stay, and we'll see us tomorrow, yes? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. It was a pleasure for me. Enjoy your evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. So guys, that's what it takes to be a good waiter. All those steps that I show you today will ensure that your guests are receiving a really good service. Of course, if you want to be excellent, extraordinary, then you have to take some more steps and do some other things that are not really required, but they are the one that makes a huge difference between good and excellent service. Like small talk. I didn't find time to engage my guests in a small talk. Maybe I should have said that the lady is wearing an excellent and beautiful dress. Or maybe I should say that I like the shoes of the German. If they have a dog, I should have said something about the dog. What's the name? How old is it? What kind of dog it is? And maybe I can bring some food or some water for the dog and things like that. Those little things, they're making our guests feel comfortable, feel welcome. And of course, once they feel like that, it reflects back to you. They start liking you more than usually. You know, not just that you are doing perfect service, but you are also a human being that makes them feel welcome and good. So trust me, it's a big difference between somebody that's really happy and feeling warm and welcome and somebody that's satisfied with the service. It's a big difference in the tip. Thank you guys for being here. Stay brave, stay calm, stay out of trouble, work hard, work smart, make good money, enjoy life. Thank you.